DAT1 is a powerful tool to help keep you loaded, no matter where you are. To get started, just click on the Search Loads option in the menu. From here, you will just enter the criteria of your search. Start with the origin, which is the area that you need a load to pick up. Then enter the DHO, or deadhead from origin, which will limit results to within the mileage you specify. For the destination field, you have options. You can leave it blank, indicating that you don't have a preference on where you deliver a load. You can also enter a specific city that you would like to go to. Or you could also select a region or zones that you are interested in going to. To view these zones, click on the destination field and click Valid Zones. You will now see a list of zones, which are combinations of states that you can enter for your destination. Now just type in the zones and states that you are willing to deliver to. Just remember to place a comma in between each entry so that DAT1 recognizes the destination being entered. If you did enter a city as your destination, then you can also select your DHD, or deadhead from destination. If no city was entered, this field can be ignored. Next, select the type of equipment you have from the list provided. Now, just select if you are looking for full loads, partial loads, or both full and partial loads. To ensure that you don't get loads that are too big for your equipment, don't forget to enter your trailer length and weight capacity. Now you will enter the date range of your search. Before running the search, consider using some additional filters. For instance, in load requirements, you can select whether or not you are looking for loads that require tracking. In search back, you can select how many hours you want to go back on this search. Once you complete the search form, click the search button to run the search and see your results. DAT1 will display how many results were found, including any similar results that may work out if the exact ones don't. To view those similar results, scroll to the bottom of the list and toggle on the option to Include Similar Results. Much of the load details is displayed right from this view, but to see additional details provided on each load, click on it to expand it. From here, you will see more information, like any comments or reference IDs. You can also see important company information, like their review ratings, credit score, days to pay, and the contact information to reach out to them if you're interested. If you do call on one of these loads, or if you book one, or if you're just interested in one, you can change the status of that load and it will be saved to your My Load section in the menu so that you can access it again at any time. The last thing to review is the Live Results feature, available in DAT's Select, Office, and Enterprise packages. With these packages, real-time results will display as they are posted. This can be toggled on and off by accessing the three dots next to the search button. If you want to hear an audible alert each time a match arrives, just click the alarm bell here to enable it. Clicking it again will disable the sound.